All right, hello everyone, evening. Okay, great. Okay, now so let's get ourselves started and welcome once again to Portfolio Building on Fridays with Terence. Okay, I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Okay, and we have the Facebook user present again. Facebook user, can you identify yourself? Right now, so please read the bottom of the screen. Can you just go to the post where the live video is? All right, click on the StreamYard link, all right, and then click on the approve button for Facebook. Yeah. All right, can all of you hear me loud and clear? All right, if you can hear me, can you just type sound in the chat box so I know you can hear me? All right, thank you, Hernando. All right, great. Great to have you here, Hernando. Seems like you had a busy week. You missed out on some trades, yeah? But I'm sure you took some on your own as well. Okay, thank you very much for letting me know it's all working and it's fine. All right, let's get us going. Okay, all right, now hang on everyone. I'm just trying to get my back end on the system to set up. All right, doesn't want to set up nicely for me today. All right, I did come out of a coaching class earlier, right, via live webinar. So I am taking a little bit of time to get things reorientated. My system is slowing down. And this is absolutely terrible. Nice, Hernando. All right, manage a few good ones. That's great. Great news over here. Glad to see it's still going fine. Now, so everyone, let's get started. And we have nothing. All right, this was moved. All right, I forgot to type it out. It's 16th of June. Okay, now, so we have nothing on the top end. All our trades are closed. All we are left with these couple of trades over here. And let's see how we set up. First up, market. All right, what is the market doing? What do we expect out of the markets? Let's see. Let's do a quick market review. All right, so we are 1 week later and market has done absolutely nothing. All right, market has done absolutely nothing new, everyone. All right, now, and it should be a concern for all of you. Okay, why? Because we have the S&P, all right, going back to the resistance level, which is the breakout, all right, which is 4220, if all of you remember. And we still clearly have this negative divergence. Yeah, all right, now this negative divergence is still clearly present, all right, and still happening, all right, and that's not good. That's not good because we have one divergence here, all right, two divergence here, and this is going to be the third one. Yeah, okay, all right, now, and the same thing is happening with the MACD, all right, it's still moving lower. So what we have over here is a very, very extended trading range. Yeah, okay, and if it falls, all right, it might turn ugly this time around. Okay, but when I say ugly, it doesn't mean an outright crash. Okay, what I'm saying when I say ugly is you may see a swift sell-off of about 300 to 500 points in the S&P, right? So that would be like what? Anywhere from 5 to 10% correction move, right? We may potentially see that, all right? And then after that, things may stabilize, right? So that's why I expect to see if the market goes on the downside. Yes, Hernando, between anywhere from 5 to 10%, right? For the market to really start to get in a more healthy state, all right, before it can resume any rally for towards the end of the year. Okay, for right now, it's definitely not healthy. The problem right now is there is just no, how to put this right? I wanted to say there's just no live traders in the market right now, but it sounds absolutely wrong. Okay, but all the volume that is being driven right now, right, are not funds. It's just algorithm trading, right? So it's the algos that are trading and keeping the market up right now. Okay, the funds are not trading. The real traders are not trading the market. All right, it is just the algos that's moving the market. All right, and you have to remember the algos, all right, are hedge. That means they don't take sides. All they're doing is firing 10,000 orders at one time. All right, and they're always balanced. All right, they're always balanced. Yeah. Okay. So now it's a very dangerous time. Okay, if you are trying to get long right now, all you're probably doing is trying to have a shot at making $5, right? But with a downside of like 10 times that amount. Yeah. Okay. So don't do that to yourself. Okay. Don't do that to yourself. Right. So everything has to be based on a very sound perspective. If you're still looking to go long, right? I will go long in this session. Right. So it seems contradictory to what I'm saying. Right. But when you're building an investment portfolio, so let me use the key word. Right. When you're building an investment portfolio, right? Okay, you have a longer term horizon to how you plan out your trades. So if a great stock is still trading at a bargain right now, yeah, okay, it doesn't hold me back. All right, I'll still take advantage of what I see, all right, and then make some profits from it. Okay, and I did find one today. All right, whether you're surprised or not, I did find one today. Yeah, okay. Anybody wants to make a guess, you can start throwing the stock symbols into your comment segment. Yeah, all right. It'll be interesting to see what some of you have in mind over here. And remember, I use a very clear word, all right, value driven. All right, that means a great company, a profitable company, all right, selling at low valuations. All right, so that's always something I look for in this Friday session. All right, apart from the 1 or 2 growth stocks that I've touched so far. Yeah. All right, now, so let's go and do some trade analysis. So we have JD is a long-term position. It's all the way to 2020 January, so I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to touch it. All right, it's just going to sit there for a little bit longer. All right, let's go to MBLA. All right, I don't think the stock has done much as well. All right, but let's have a look. Oh man, nope, not any of the stocks that you guys have said. All right, pardon me, everyone. Give me a minute. My TD Ameritrade platform is acting up again. Oh, I don't like it. Right, hang on. It's played punk on me. I have to restart it. Okay, I'll probably just use a different platform today. All right, it might make things faster and move us faster. Nope, not Apple, not Intel, not Microsoft, not Nvidia. Definitely not Nvidia. I'm not getting anywhere near that stock. BOC. Unfortunately, I'll be very blatant and very upfront. I don't know much about Chinese stocks. Yeah, all right. So BOC, I will assume is Bank. Is it Bank of China? All right, I'm not sure actually. No. Definitely nowhere near Futu. Nowhere near. Absolutely no. Travis, don't test your luck. Don't test your luck with AMC, okay? This is not a Mimi session. This is not a Reddit forum. Because of the stock price. Yeah, all right, Tanya, the first thing over here is because of the stock price. That's the first thing I can tell you immediately. Okay, all right, now, so let's get go. I fire up a different platform which doesn't demand as much on my platform, sorry, my aging computer. All right, so yes, I'm not getting anywhere near NVIDIA. All right, why? Because it's $642. All right, I don't have my TD Ameritrade platform with me right now, okay, but I would believe that the PE ratio doesn't check out very nicely, okay? All right, now, so nope, not AT&T as well. It's too risky right now with what they've done recently. All right, but let's go to the trade management first, okay? All right, everyone. Now, MDLA. Not much of an action, so we're staying put. Intel, let's go, Intel. I have the 5750 puts that expires on 18th of June. The stock has since rebounded higher, right? And this option now has turned a little bit of profits, but nothing significant, all right? So I'm not going to take my profits too soon, yeah? So we had this one. Oops. Oh, I'm really lagging. Oh, man. Yeah, that's how it works. Now, so if I buy this back today, it'll cost me about 136, 137. Yeah, okay, 136, 137. All right, I sold this for 180. That means that I do have a profit. All right, there is a profit over here of about 50 cents or so. All right, but I want to hang in longer. I still believe it can head higher. All right, now next up, let's go to KR. So KR is sit very, very nicely over here. We have the 36 puts for 16th of July. We collected 129 for it. Let's have a look today. Today. All right, 36 puts. It is worth about $1. All right, about 102, perhaps 102. All right, so it has a profit as well, but nothing to shout about. So I'm staying in this trade. All right, VZ. All right, VZ has done absolutely nothing. All right, so looks like I'm staying put as well. 16th of July, 57.50, 203. All right, a small little dent. All right, but I'm more than happy to own this stock at 57.50 a piece. All right, so no actions right now. I've got, at least another 7 more weeks. All right, 7 more weeks to go. So nothing fancy. CAH, which was a reload from last week. This was 16th of July too. 57.50. It's about $3 right now. So nothing to shout about, everyone. All right, it's about $3 right now. Now, so can you see what's happening? All right, what I have right now in my portfolio, right, it's actually a lot of profitable companies, right, trading at very low valuations. And then you really see the market aging upwards, right? But then you see all these value-driven stocks, right, or profitable companies that are not showing profits, or the stock is basically not going up. So can you see the disconnect? Can you see the disassociation with the markets right now? Right, so you have a market that's going up, but the what's going up is not across the board. Right, it's happening to a very few stocks that is actually pulling the entire index up. Right, so that's where you have this issue over here where there's a disconnect. So this is also where you have to pay a lot of very close attention, right, to what's going on, okay, and what's going to happen over here. Yeah, all right. So be very, very careful, okay, everyone. All right, now, so I'm going to start today's session and today's trade. First up, everyone. If you're new with us, these public sessions that I run for portfolio building on Fridays, okay, are done from an investment perspective. Okay, so all disclaimer applies. Okay, I will be placing live trades on our official portfolio, right, which is a $100,000 portfolio to start with. Okay, it's a $100,000 stock portfolio to start with, right? And all my trades will be started off with what we call a portfolio puts. Okay, now a portfolio put simply means we are selling put options on stocks that we are willing to own. All right, now I don't want to own them. All right? But when I sell put options on them, right, I am prepared that if the stock prices drop, okay, I will own the stocks and wait for them to recover. Yeah, okay, now, so this is where people call it a cycle. This strategy is basically a cycle. You work this on some of the most fundamental driven companies because you always believe, right? If I take it from a simple perspective, right? Why do people buy blue chip stocks, right? Because if you buy them, right, now, if you're a little bit early, they may drop, okay? But you always believe in holding them because you know they're going to bounce back up. So that's the objective of the entire big picture of this strategy, right? We sell put options to start. If the stock doesn't go up, all right, that's okay because my option expires and I make money, all right, from the premiums I collect. Okay, but if it goes down, that's okay, right? Because when I start the trade, the stock is already considered cheap, all right? So if it goes down, that means it's gotten cheaper. Yeah, okay, so I will buy the stock, I will wait for it to recover, right? If I have the opportunity, I may also sell call options on it to collect more cash flow, yeah, okay, while waiting for it to go back up. Okay, now, and then when it finally goes back up, somebody is going to take my stocks away and I start the cycle again. Yeah, okay, so this is basically a cash flow driven strategy. I do not really hope for the stock to go up because I don't benefit from it doing so, all right? But I don't want it to crash as well, all right? I just want it to do nothing. All right, and that's what a lot of these big caps and blue chip stocks are very, very good at doing, all right, for extended periods of time. All right, and that allows us to generate our cash flows, all right, with a target return of about 20% per annum or anything higher. All right, so for any of these trades that I put out, right, they are all full cash trades. Okay, for example, if I sold 3 put options on CAH, right, for 57.50 puts, that means I would have allocated $17,250 to do this trade, right? Because that would be the cost of picking up 300 shares of Cardinal Health at $57.50 a share. Okay, so see how it works now, everyone? Okay, so if you're looking to do the trades, right, craft it out on your own. So my members, my graduates, you know the strategies we apply, all right, tweak it, craft it if you like the trades. Okay, but remember, these are long-term objective trades. Okay, because if anything goes wrong, I'm willing to hang on to the trade, hold on to it, all right, and wait for prices to recover. Yeah, okay. All right, if you're new with us, you can check out some of our live mentorship programs that I run with, my students, okay, or our trading pack, all right, where you get to attend 2 live trading webinars with us every single week, all right, for an entire year. So that's like at least 104 live trading sessions, right? And it comes with all the courses, all the learning materials for the strategies we cover, all right, and we use during the live trading sessions. Okay, now, so if you're interested, I'll put up the link later. Not so much the link later. You can get in touch with my team via emails and they can provide you more details. Okay, let's get to today's trades, everyone. Let's make it dicey and choppy. Now, once again, all right, I will need to take a little bit of time to seek all of your help, everyone. If you find these Friday sessions useful, beneficial, that's why you're coming back over and over again. All right, help us reach out to more people. All right, so we can, educate them. We can bring to their attention how good option selling is. All right, and basically these sessions are all entirely free. All right, we meant to educate you. I put out a lot of golden nuggets every single week. All right, so if you feel your friends who are trading the US market can benefit from this as well, all right, help us click the like buttons right now at this moment. All right, and also a more important button is the share button. All right, click the share button so we can, have this video shared out to as many people as possible. All right, so they can find out, all right, how they can sell put options and build cash flow, all right, cash flow driven portfolio as well. All right, thank you very much. All right, I'll go ahead right now. So to all of your surprise, everyone, to all of your surprise, right, the stock that I'm actually going to trade today. All right, let me bring up the web page first. All right, the stock that I'm going to trade today is actually super boring. I promise you, it's super boring. All right, but it's good for me. All right, because it's paying me right now. Hang on, everyone. All right, here we are. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the stock that I'm trading today, Tupperware. Boring enough for you? Putting you to bed yet? All right, yes, I'm trading Tupperware. Why? All right, actually, it's very simple. Because it is profitable, right? For once, this company did not or does not pay dividends right now, okay, but it is profitable, all right? And number two, right, on top of being profitable, right, it is trading and going for a PE ratio of only 8 right now, right? The PE ratio is only 8, everyone. Yeah, okay, how many profitable company right now, right, can you find trading at 8 PE? Yeah, okay, no, definitely not McDonald's and Endo. And Endo is, McDonald's is probably crazy right now. Let's have a look. McDonald's is 33 PE and Endo, right? For a company like McDonald's, which isn't probably going to open a lot more branches in the current environment, hence the profitability is not going to grow anytime soon. All right, and trading at 33 PE, where 15 is the benchmark. Anything more than 15 starts to get expensive. Yeah, okay, you realize they're at double the mark over here. Yeah, okay, a company that's not really in the growth phase, but yet trading at double what is the benchmark valuations. Okay, but Tupperware making profits, trading at 8 PE. All right, that excites me. It's not exciting, but it excites me. All right, and the trade I'm going with today, everyone, pure and simple. 16th of July again. All right, we're selling the 20. Let me see. I'm only interested in hitting a target of 20% and more. So as long as I get it, I'm more than happy. Yeah. This checks out, everyone. All right, I'm going with a 23 strike. Okay, a 23 strike. So that allows me a buffer of about 23 strikes. So that's like what? 280. Oh my goodness, that's 10%. Correct? 10%. All right, I can afford for this stock to drop by 10% and I'm still fine. Yeah, all right, I can afford for this stock to drop by 10% and I'll still be perfectly fine. All right, I won't even have to buy the stock. Okay, I think that's pretty good with a stock that's trading at 8 PE right now. All right, and it's profitable. All right, and I do own some of their products, not a lot, but I do buy some of their products, and I'm sure some of you do too as well. Yeah, okay, and they're gonna be around. They're gonna be around. Yeah. Okay, now so I'm happy with that. So I'm gonna go with this. Yeah. All right. So Tupperware, I'm doing the standard 3 contracts for my portfolio. I'm going with the 23 strike, so it's not gonna be a very, very costly one this week. Oh, all my platforms are going haywire. All right, so I'm gonna sell it. Oh man, there goes my premiums. I was trying to sell it for 95 cents earlier. All right, I was trying to sell it for 95 cents earlier. Well, but let's see. All right, it's done. Ugh. Hang on, okay, everyone. My platform is really dying on me. Everything is not working out today. Don't worry, I'm good. These things happen. All right, here we go. Oh, man. Yes, Hernando. I don't have time to clear it right now. I'll clear it after the session. All right, here we go, everyone. All right, I've sold 3 Tupperwares, all right, 3 Tupperware 23 puts, all right, for 90 cents. All right, for 90 cents, it's done. All right, so sold 3 contracts, 90 cents is done. Okay, so let's go. Let's record this trade down. All right, so this trade 54. Tupperware. 15th of July, 23 puts. All right, we're doing this on the 28th of May, right? All right, and then 90 cents. Okay, so this is gonna pay me $270, and my deposit, I'm gonna set aside $6,900. All right, $6,900. So I'm almost maximally exposed for my portfolio. Right, so I'm not gonna be adding on any more trades until I close some. All right, so I'm not gonna be adding or opening any more trades right now until I start closing some trades. Yeah. All right, so let's see what's the ROIs. I'm going to pocket 90 cents on an investment of $23 a share. So that's 3.91%. Okay, and this option has 49 days to expiry. So that's 7 weeks, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, okay, so I'm going to divide it by 7 weeks and then annualize it after that. So this is a 29% ROI trade. That's pretty good. That's pretty yummy. All right, very juicy. All right, so it fits for me over here. Yeah. Okay, now, so that's it. That's what I'm gonna add. Easing, yes, a lot of stocks were trading at $10, but a lot of them were 10 times higher. So if you say Tupperware was weird, all right, I would say a lot of the other stocks are weirder. Facebook user, unfortunately I don't know, or I can't tell who you are at this moment over here. All right, so I can't be directing the reply to you. Okay, I can't be directing the reply to you. So yeah. So why this expiry? It's very simple. All right, this is an investment perspective. My aim, all right, is to create a 20% return per annum on what I'm doing. All right, so if I can sell it for 7 weeks, that means I can make this 20% by repeating it, all right, just a few times in the entire year. Yeah, okay, all right, but if you're interested, come and join us in one of our mentorship programs. All right, okay, and find out how you can be an option seller, build your portfolio around it. Yeah, okay, all right, and then, all right, we'll build and create some cash flows. All right, yes, Hernando, sugar mom. Oh well. All right, in at 92. All right, now, so please be aware, everyone, once again, all right, I am setting aside $6,900 to pick up all 300 shares if I need to. Okay, if I need to. Yeah, okay, all right, so do not trade this stock until you're clearly aware of the risk involved. Yeah, okay, because all investments bear risk of loss. Okay, everyone, right? So I'm doing this from a portfolio's perspective. All right, I'm willing to own the stock. Yeah, okay, so that's how I do it. All right, that's how I do it. Okay, William, there's no if, there's no why. All right, I just prefer basically July. Yeah, okay, I just prefer July because once again, instead of having to do this every month, all right, I can choose to do this every 2 months. Yeah, okay, it saves me a lot of time. It saves me a lot of extra effort. All right, so if I can do that, why not? Yeah, okay, why not? This is not an active portfolio, right? This is really a passive-based portfolio. If I can do it, just the new term, don't do that to me, okay? And then, all right, now, if I can do this as little time as possible and still arrive at my 20% per annum, why not? Yeah, okay, why not? Yeah. Welcome, Facebook user. All right, if you can do me a favor, right, please go to the post, the Facebook post, click on the clickable link, which probably says streamyard.com/Facebook. Yeah, okay, you'll be brought to a page, right? There's a Facebook button over there. Just click on it and approve it. So next time when you join our session, I'll be able to see who you are and who's leaving comments over here. Okay, all right, everyone. Now, so I am trading the 16th of July. So if you are comfortable with how you want to take your risk, you can plan it otherwise. But this is how we will record it on this portfolio, all right? And I will be only tracking this particular trade, okay? This one that I've just executed off over here, right? If you're interested to find out how else you can trade this stock in various forms and ways, right? You can, of course, look to explore at one of our mentorship programs available. Yeah, okay, send my team an email. I'm going to put it out over here at the bottom. Right, so if you're interested in our membership programs, all right, where you trade with us all year long, or if you want to join one of my live mentorship, where I hold you by the hand and trade with you and show you how the steps are done, right? Email my team; they'll be able to provide you with more information. All right, thank you for those who have emailed us, all right, and who have joined our membership and is trading live with us right now as well. Okay, we are still in the midst of the earnings season. All right, so if you have come to our Facebook page, you have read a lot about the 24-hour earning strategy. All right, it is not over. Right, so if you join us, you can still get access to the training materials, right, the course materials itself. Right, go through the lessons and join us next week. All right, when we take on all the earnings trades, right, until the season ends. Yeah, okay, all right, everyone. Now, this is me. This is how I'm going to end today's session over here. Just one add to the entire portfolio. All right, and I look forward to seeing all of you next week again. All right, everyone. Thank you once again for joining me on a Friday evening. All right, and I do hear that our folks in Malaysia, you might go into a full lockdown really soon. All right, so stay safe, everyone. All right, during this period, nothing beats staying safe. All right, and stay home. Make some money, shall we? Stay home and let's learn how to make some money. So if you are not already investing, you're not with us. All right, consider joining us and let us show you how you can create more cash flow during the stay-home period. Thank you very much. All right, thank you, Anando. Thank you, Arasi. All right, great to see you back here again. And I'll catch all of you next Friday, 10:30 p.m. Bye-bye, everyone. This is Terence, the I'm Possible Investor, signing off for now. Bye-bye.